With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the figures below depict the path of two colliding steel balls A and B. Which of the following arrow out of 1, 2, 3, 4 represent the impulse applied to the ball A during the collision? So if you see, this is the ball A and we want the direction of impulse that is being applied on A, right? So if you see, the impulse on A will be along the common normal. So common normal we have to draw. Since the impulse is nothing but normal reaction that will act in between two during the collision. So common normal will be the direction of impulse. So if I draw this line, this is the line of impact that is along the common normal. Right. So if you see here, the impulse that will be acting on the two, it will be like this. Right. If you see, it will be acting like this. And delta t and delta t. Right. So yeah, you can see here, right, the impulse that is acting on it is normal reaction direction and it is acting in downward direction to A. So yes, if you see here, B is the correct one. And you can also see A is the direction of impulse that is acting on this B ball, and these two are the random directions. So B will be the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.